Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today. Today I've got a really fun exclusive rewards members only Harrods Beauty promotion to share with you. It's pretty hefty. I am not kidding when I say this is a hefty beauty promotion free gift thing. It is 480 Great British pounds worth of goodies, freebies, with a spend of £250. Right, so this is exclusive to Harrods Rewards members only. You can only take advantage of this special offer if you are a Harrods Reward member, of which I am one. I am one. To become a Harrods Rewards member, just go down to my description. I've got a link in there. And it will take you directly to the sign up page, and you'll become a rewards member and you'll be able to take advantage of this immediately, this deal. And it's a bit of a corker, I think. This isn't sponsored, it's not affiliate. I would love to be sponsored by Harrods. Okay, so the deal is £480 worth of product with a £250 spend. There are a load of T's and C's which I'll have up on the screen somewhere. Predictably, Chanel and Dior beauty products are not included in this deal. So there are a few brands that are not included in the deal. You've got to find the brands and find the products to build up that £250 spend to be able to get your £480 gift. Not only does this beauty gift come with lots of beauty products, it comes with a bag as well. And I don't know if you know this about me, but I like a good bag. Harrods does ship overseas, so you do not need to be based in the UK to take advantage of this special offer. You can be overseas and take advantage of this special offer. This offer runs until the 30th of June. It is available in store and it is available online. Now, as I understand it, if you do this in store, you buy your beauty products, you're given a voucher, and then you have to go to the concierge or somewhere like that to pick up your bag. It is while stocks last. They may run out sooner, so just bear that in mind. Online I found really easy because I just popped a couple of things in my cart and it was auto added to my cart, so I didn't have to worry about going to find it or any of those things. And frankly, I was going to be buying some more of this stuff anyway, so it made sense for me to buy it, replenish my stocks and get the freebie. I am scared about trying new things if I'm committing to putting my own money towards them, but if it's a freebie, then give me all the good things. Give me all the things to try. So it came in this massive Harrods box, next day delivery. As a reward member, you do get preferential delivery, and I'm a black tier rewards member, which means I get free delivery even if I only spend £5 or £10. Now, my problem with the Harrods boxes is always opening them upside down. Let's see. Has she got it? Has she got it this time? Oh god. Yay, it's the right way up, but utterly trashed. Okay, so I know I've mentioned to you before that I really love the Advanced Night Repair serum by Estée Lauder, and I'm coming to the end of all my little bits and pieces that I got with my Christmas Estée Lauder free gift, and I thought I can't be spending any time at all without my Advanced Night Repair. And then I saw this set. Now, I've not seen a set like this size, because this is pretty hefty. This is a 2 × 115 milliliter set of the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair, and usually I think these go up to like a 75 milliliter, which is the usual size you can buy on its own. Don't mind trashing the box because I'm not giving these to anyone, these are for me. So it's a double pack. Got 2 in here of this massive size of Advanced Night Repair. Let's just check out the size of the bottle. And I will have up on the screen the usual kind of cost per milliliter that I would normally buy it at. And just look at the size of that. Hefty. Oh, well, I have never seen a bottle this big of this product before, and I am digging it. So this double pack was 240 Great British pounds, which sounds like a lot, but it's a much better cost per volume. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I remember checking it out on the website and thinking, holy guacamole, that's a really good deal. So that left me £10 shy of hitting that £250 magic number for which my free gift would be added. So I picked up another bottle of, this is the Lancôme Facile instant cleanser for sensitive eyes, non-oily. So this is an eye makeup remover. I had one of these as a tester before. I loved it. I've been working my way through a Clarins eye makeup remover, so I haven't needed to buy any, but now is a good time because I'm coming close to the end of that. And this was, I can't remember the price of this, but it got me to my £2.50 target without going too much over, and I'm going to use it, and I really love this. This is my preferred eye makeup remover, so it's good to be going back to this stuff. And now for the free gift. I knew about the bag. I was not prepared for the size of it. It's huge. I was expecting it to be quite a bit smaller than this, but yeah, my summer beach bag sorted. It's made of a canvas material and it's got this gorgeous purple and orange. Orange isn't really a colour for me, but I like it in this combination. I do like orange as a combination colour with purple. This could be a flower, it could be the sun, and then we've got all these little H's for Harrods in the Harrods font on there. So this is the bag that comes with the free gift. I'm digging it very much. And inside we have a beauty gift for you. Get ready to discover 17 incredible skincare, makeup, fragrance and hair care treasures from the best of Harrods and H Beauty. So there's this, and it's a menu. It tells you what's in here, so we'll look at that in a moment as we go through the goodies. And inside the bag, it's lined in this, it was a very light fabric, I don't know what fabric it is. And then there, oh, there's a little Harrods tag in there as well. How cute is this? And here are the goodies. The tissue paper's got little H stickers on for Harrods as well. Cute! I've got everything balanced on my lap now, so if you hear anything land on the floor, I've done an Amelia and dropped something. Right, let's start off with this. This is Costa Brazil. This is an anti-aging face oil. So this is, yeah, that was the first thing that went. Kea Anti-Aging Face Oil, a Brazilian rainforest beauty elixir powered by nature to enhance your skin's healthy glow. This fast-absorbing, lightweight formula is rich in nourishing lipids, essential fatty acids, omega-6, omega-3, omega-9, I don't know why I said those out of order, and vitamins A, C and E to boost firmness and hydration. Well, I could do with a bit of that. All right, I've rescued the thing that fell on the floor, and it is this little La Prairie Skin Caviar Luxe Eye Cream. The skin under your eyes is especially delicate, and this cream is infused with La Prairie's patented cellular complex to improve the elasticity and strength of under eye skin. It works to brighten the areas under the skin and will leave skin feeling more plump and soft. As a woman in her middle to late 40s, I'm holding on to the middle bit, I could definitely make use of this. What a dinky little tub. These are really good for overnight things. There's even a bit in the book about the tote bag. It says it's crafted with 65% recycled cotton and 35% conventional cotton. This tote is perfect for storing your beauty must-haves when on the go, or reused as a shopping or beach bag. It's like they read my mind. Right, the next thing is this QMS Advanced Collagen. This is a serum in oil. Where are we? Trust skincare expert QMS Medio Cosmetics to rehydrate you with a nourishing advanced collagen serum in oil. The rich formula contains bacoccio, niacinamide and peptides to restore the skin's hydrolipid layer and intensely moisturise and plump your skin, leaving your face, neck and décolleté feeling firmer and more refreshed. Do you ever get the impression that they try and blind you with big words and stuff, so I don't understand it, it must be good, I'll buy it. Next up we've got this Bissay Diamond Luminous Glowing Mask. Once a week, the Diamond Luminous Glowing Mask will add a hydration hit to dry, dull complexions. The thick, creamy treatment is packed with, oh god, there's that word again, niacinamide to improve skin tone, prickly pear extract to soothe sensitive skin, carnosine to even texture, and crystal illuminating peptide, that was all capitalised, to brighten, as well as panthenol to deeply moisturise parched skin. Well, sounds like it's promising a lot. Definitely going to give that a go and see if I do feel like I'm glowing like my diamonds. If you are new to my channel, then hiya, I am Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. And if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, then get down there, hit subscribe and ring my bell so you don't miss out on any of my luxury-based shenanigans. Show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Oh, I'm happy about this one. This is the NARS. This is the blush, Orgasm blush. And Orgasm is my favourite lip balm from NARS. The best-selling NARS blush delivers a weightless rush of cheek colour in matte, satin and shimmering finishes. Superfine micronized powder pigments ensure an irresistibly soft, blendable application. Well, it looks like it's a good shade for me, so I'll give that a go. Okay, we've got this 111 Skin Celestial Black Diamond Serum. The luxurious Celestial Black Diamond collection combines technologically advanced ingredients with groundbreaking medical research. They all say that. The collection has an innovative delivery system that uses black diamond particles to transport 111 Skin's potent NAC Y to the power of 2 formula in combination with arbutin and hyaluronic acid into deeper layers of the skin to plump the complexion. This potent serum is also infused with licorice root to brighten and botanical quebracho wood to soothe the skin. Well, again, big claims, big claims. Yeah, another one bamboozling me with the big sciencey words. So far so groovy, and we've still got loads to get through. I've got a tub of, here we go, a little tub here of La Mer, Creme de la Mer, the moisturising cream. Oh, I wanted to try this. Hey, this was on my, if I can get a sample, I will definitely try it list. Because I didn't want to just buy a full-size La Mer, Creme de la Mer, because, I mean, they're expensive, so this is all good stuff. The formula that started it all, the Creme de la Mer moisturising cream, has taken skincare mavens and the rest of the world by storm. Translating to cream of the sea, it's infused with renewing miracle broth and antioxidant lime tea to soothe, moisturise, protect and energise skin. All of these have little instructions on how to use them in the book as well, so that's good for me as someone who isn't an expert. What is this? Evidence de Beauté, the Special Mask Deluxe. This richly textured mask lifts, tones and plumps skin. No wonder it's a beauty editor favourite. This is thanks to the brand's patented formula, triple collagen, QAI, plus lifting and purifying agents, which works to make skin look healthy. I'm loving this so far. Next up we've got this Olaplex. This is a No. 3 Hair Perfector. The No. 3 Hair Perfector from Olaplex is a weekly at-home treatment that reduces breakage and visibly strengthens hair from the first use. This global bestseller is not a conditioner but a bond builder, meaning it has to be applied before shampooing to help your hair achieve optimal appearance and texture. Interesting, okay. Well, you know, I have messed around with my hair a lot, and I'm currently using heat products to try and give it a bit of zhuzh, you know what I mean? Bit of zhuzh. So anything that will help keep my hair in check then, and healthy and everything, then I'm prepared to give it a go. Next up is another product that I've always wanted to try. This is the Moroccan Oil Treatment Hair Oil, a unique ultralight formula rich in antioxidant argan oil that instantly absorbs into hair to improve softness and shine and delivers long-term conditioning without leaving residue. This treatment works for all hair types. Now, I've always been a bit nervous about going for something like this because I'm naturally quite greasy on my scalp and I am not very good with product. I'm not very good at knowing when to stop with product. I'll give it a go, but I won't be doing any filming on that day, just in case. This is quite funny. This is a perfume. It's Floricu, one umbrella for two. This sweet and fruity gourmand scent has notes of blackcurrant, gem matcha, tea extract and white musk. You will also discover hints of cedarwood oil, cyclamen flower and puffed rice accord. I got one of these, this exact perfume, in the Harrods 12 Days of Fragrance advent calendar. I really liked it, so I'm happy to get another one. We have got a couple of silk hair ties. I love a little silk scrunchie. These are the skinny scrunchies. Mine are more the bigger scrunchies, so it's nice to have a couple of options here. And one of them is kind of perfect colour match for my hair. So this is by Slip. Skinny silk scrunchie duo, black and rose gold. Silk scrunchies are made with slip silk, the same silk used in Slip's award-winning Slip Pure Silk pillowcase. Wow. They are designed to be kind to delicate hair and won't pull on strands, therefore minimising damage or breakage, and that's why I love using silk hair scrunchies. Okay, we've got how do you say this? I don't know. This is a thick hair treatment mask. Oh, goody, another thing for my hair. Hair that is thick and luscious is also prone to damage, but Ooey's thick hair treatment mask is formulated to restore tresses back to their original health. The formula is enriched with almond, macadamia and olive oils, along with hydrolyzed protein and shea and elite pea butters, I think, to strengthen strands, thus preventing future breakages. Excellent stuff. Dr. Barbara Sturm gives us this neck and décolleté cream. Dr. Barbara Sturm's super anti-aging neck and décolleté cream is designed to improve the skin around your neck and décolleté. It combines a special blend of potent ingredients to prevent dehydration and hyperpigmentation. The fusion of ceramides, nourishing lipids, purslane, prickly pear, shiitake mushrooms and kombucha will reveal a smooth, plump and balanced complexion. Well, I'm all for that. Sorry if you can hear clicking in the background, my damn radiator's going off again. Petite Amie Skincare, hey! Repairing Lip Mask. This Hey! Repairing Lip Mask is a high-potency treatment mask featuring soluble collagen, vitamin B5 and pomegranate. Its rapidly absorbing formulation helps to repair, hydrate and plump chapped lips. It feels really squidgy. I've not done a lip mask before, but it sounds like a good idea. Okay, the last actual product we got in here is this Vive Skin Nova. Tiny little thing here. This skincare makeup hybrid works as a versatile primer with myriad skin benefits. Niacinamide calms inflammation while hydrating beta-glucan and soothing rose water quench thirsty skin. It's also packed with light reflecting pigments to dial up the glow for all skin tones. I'm going to try it, but I don't tend to wear things like primers or foundation or anything like that. In fact, I can't stand the feeling of what I like to call that crap on my face. I really can't stand it at all. So I will give it a go, but again, it's going to be on a day where I'm not planning on doing anything, because if I need to take it off straight away, then I will be able to do so. And the last thing is not a product but a voucher. It is a £10 off blow dry at the Dry Bar, valid at Dry Bar UK shops. So if you've got a Dry Bar near you and you want to go in for a blow dry, then that's a tenner off. Personally, I think this is a great way to try out new products if you are, like me, a little bit risk averse in shelling out the big bucks on something you're not entirely sure is going to work for you or not. Try before you buy. All in all, I think that's a pretty good haul. I didn't pay for it. I bought stuff I was going to use anyway, so the rest of it is just a, you know, absolute bonus. Let me know if any of these products are your favourites, if you use any of them, what you think of them. Let me know if you think you're going to go for this deal. Don't forget to use my link down below to go and sign up to be a Harrods Reward member. You will not regret it. You get lots of extra little bonuses and things like that, but I'll let you go and look that up yourselves. And until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye.